This game should get going soon, and in the meantime, Don and I will provide some preamble.
Do we have to?
Yes.
Does it have to be about hockey?
Apparently not. Yager takes control of the puck. Shoots it! Wah! Gets the wood on it. There's going to be a penalty. Blake will go to the box for high sticking.
According to my hockey knowledge, that infraction would warrant a 2-minute penalty. Sweet, I was right.
Colorado will play some short-handed hockey.
Time to see what their defense is made of.
Wah freezes the puck. DeVries gets it. Drury got it. He gets hit.
He's got that player seeing more stars than Carl Sagan.
Yager trapped offside and play is stopped. Hayduk. Second corrals the puck. Tanguay. Shoots the puck. Wah with a big save. Wah hangs on for the whistle. Lidstrom rips a shot. Saved by Wah. Yager. Wah made the save. Second. Shot the puck from the left. Grabbed by Joseph.
The puck was fast, but not fast enough.
Robitaille shoots. Blake jumps on the loose puck. Drury. He's off. Shoots the puck. Chelios. Fires it. Wah close the door.
1 minute, he's standing in the net minding his own business. The next, whammo!
Domi dangles the puck out there with one hand.
And pulls it right back in. Sweet.
Goes to the backhand. Saved by Roy. Brewer scoops up the loose puck. Van Imp shoots. Saved by Joseph.
Right back at you. Booyah!
Timonen with the puck. Sakic. Sakic fires! Joseph stoned in cold. Brewer gets called for cross-checking.
Jim?
Yes?
How long is this penalty for?
2 minutes. Colorado now has a one-man edge.
Let's see if they can make some hay out of this situation.
Make some hay? Haven't heard that since I worked on the prairies.
Hey, where I come from, we want to make hay out of everything.
Reinprecht jumps on the loose puck. Colorado has a player down, and he's not getting up.
I always hate to see an injury, Jim. Let's hope he's okay.
The trainer's helping him out of here, so he must be in some pain.
But he could still return, Jim. He could still return.
Sakic now has the puck. Lidstrom scoops it up. Sakic shoots it. Joseph denied him. Lemieux. This shot. Waugh makes the save. Brewer is hurting. You know what's wrong, Don?
I think he's holding his ribs. He must be pretty sore or cracked.
We figured his injury may be too bad to play with.
And we were right. He's going to the locker room.
Lidstrom knocks the puck loose.
No doubt about it, that's a hit. Both of them will remember for a while.
Robitaille. Shoots quickly. Blocked. Sakic takes control of the puck. Keane took it.
Last minute of play in the first period.
Cleared out of the zone. Robitaille takes over. It's off the post.
The sun is set on the first period, but soon the second period will go. Jim, I won't lie to you. We've got a close game on our hands.
That was a great opening period. Let's see if the intensity continues here in the second. Messier. The Avalanche dump the puck in. Timonen takes control. Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. That'll make you think twice about buying front row tickets.
Those fans will be picking glass out of their hair for a week.
Yell wins the draw. He's with the puck. Offside. Keane. Blake now has it. He scores!
There's goals in them Nar Hills.
And you can see the confusion on those faces.
That's some nice work by the animation department.
You bet.
Scored by number 23.
Timonen gets hold of the puck. Cranks it. Yell gets in the way.
Rob Blake.
He takes control of the puck. Krestanovich grabs it. Williams steals it. Colorado takes possession. Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. Looks like the fans got a bit of a shock there.
But the glass is back in and we're ready to go.
Hayduk. Fires! The door is shut by Looks like we've got a tussle here. It just takes one guy who sees red.
Yep, and then someone's going to end up black and blue.
I guess that's what they mean by color commentary. And there's our winner.
Looks like major punishment has got him lying at attention.
Colorado penalty to number 12, Mike
Fedotenko.
5-minute major for fighting. Detroit penalty to number 24.
He scores! Now there's some supercharged hockey for the fans out there.
Yeah, and don't forget the fans in here. I'm loving it. A nice pass and an even better one-timer. But imagine if it had been put to music. That would have been so cool.
Detroit ties it up.
Both teams are looking for a chance to pop it in.
Denied by Joseph.
The shooter has got to feel a little let down. Just a little.
Robitaille. Shot the puck. Door slammed shut by Roy. Sakic with the puck. Hayduk whips it. Joseph made the save. Domi shoots the puck. Joseph closes the door. White. Yager. Rink-wide pass. Rink-wide pass. The ref indicates a delayed call. Sakic is going to the box for cross-checking.
Jim, when you play hard in a hockey game, sometimes you take penalties.
And he's taken one here. Colorado will try to work off a little time here.
This is where they can be.
Hayduk scores!
If you're long on talent, it doesn't matter if you're short a few hands.
Colorado just saw one of its players fall to injury.
And the whole bench jumped up at once. They want a penalty.
That man will take a rest, at least for a little while.
He could still be back in this game, though. Just because they had one less man didn't mean they couldn't score, as he so kindly pointed out.
Detroit will now try and play some catch-up hockey.
Let's see if they thrive from the challenge or crack under pressure. Either way, it'll be fun to watch.
Detroit sees the clock run out on its power play. Sakic took the puck.
That's more than just a dig, Jim. It's a performance art piece.
The net comes loose and play is stopped. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Robitaille had the puck. Yager! Saved by Roy!
There's the kind of old-school tending I love.
Sakic takes possession of the puck. Sakic! Joseph made the save.
You can tell he wants the game. Big time.
Pushed off the puck.
And he takes a shock and knock it.
Colorado scooped it up. Messier. He has it. Shot the puck. Joseph, great save. Solani gets the pass from Joseph. Datsuk grabs the puck. High note corrals it. Datsuk gobbles it up. White. Detroit has it. Timonen takes it. Fires it. High note stops the shot. Shot turned aside by Roy. Delayed call coming up. Lemieux blasts one. Kochek is going off for cross-checking.
He'll be in the box for 2 minutes, but maybe his teammates will bake him a cake with a file in it. You know, so he can escape.
Detroit with the power play.
Now would be a good time to score. Anytime now. Like now.
Relax.
40 minutes down, 20 to go. Unless it goes into overtime. Then it could be 25 minutes to go. Or 30 minutes to... Anyway, you get my point.
Hi, and welcome back to the game.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jim Hewson.
Drury scores!
Working against the power play, they show a little power of their own.
Detroit mustn't have been planning that in the locker room.
The best laid plans of mice and men often go awry.
Big Robbie Burns fan, are we?
Who's Robbie Burns?
Colorado dumps the puck in. Klocek will rejoin the play. He's finished his sentence in the sin bin. Shoots! Stoned by Roy!
A spider monkey with vertigo could have stopped that shot.
Stoned cold by Roy!
He was not going to let that one slip by.
Roy hangs on for the whistle. Detroit has been struggling in the face-off circle. Let's see how they do here. DeVries jumps on the loose puck. Messier gets checked.
All hail the king of heavy hits.
Lidstrom. Chelios takes control of the puck. Fires hard! Blocked! Messier with the puck. Drury gets it. Shoots it from the left. Joseph stoned him.
Sometimes it all comes down to the man in the net, and this is the twine minder you want.
Lidstrom controls the puck. Roy stones him cold.
He saw the puck coming a mile away and planned a little welcome back party.
Klocek. High note. He gets muscled off the puck. Datsuk gets a hold of it. Shoots! Misses! He takes possession of the puck. Pad saved by Joseph.
He put up an impenetrable barrier of pad.
Williams. Datsuk scoops up the loose puck. Messier grabbed it. Delayed penalty coming up. Sakic shoots the puck. He takes control. Lemieux will go to the box for roughing.
Yeah, so he has to go to the penalty box for a while. Most fans would pay good money to sit in that seat.
Colorado has got to hope this edge in numbers will pay off.
They'll accept most major credit cards or a goal, whatever's easier.
Blake. Sakic takes the puck. Blistering shot. Joseph shuts the door.
Try again later, fellows.
Joseph denies him. Yzerman. Drury roughs him up. Yzerman shoots. Roy turned the shot away. Yzerman, one-time shot. Roy closed the door. Roy hangs on for the whistle. Detroit is struggling with face-offs.
And I'm struggling with his cherry-flavored cheese dog. It's awful.
It's cherry.
What's your point?
Chelios shoots the puck. Saved by Roy.
And that's why his teammates always let him ride shotgun after the game.
Roy hangs on for the whistle. Yzerman won the face-off. Kuba shoots the puck. Roy hangs on for the whistle. Messier, delayed penalty call coming up for Detroit. Lemieux will get the gate for cross-checking.
Jim, he'll be watching the play from the penalty box for only 2 minutes. Not too long, really.
Sakic.
2 minutes for
Shot it! The door is shut by Joseph. Sakic takes control of the puck. Delayed call. Blake gets pushed off the puck.
And he gives...
Sakic scores! That's a power play goal.
When you translate an extra man on the ice into an extra goal in the net, you're speaking the language I call great hockey.
24. Chris Chelios, 2 minutes for El Boa.
Fired it! Blocked! Blake with the puck.
Season, scored on the power play by number 19.
Drury fires! Saved by Joseph. Lemieux.
And by number 4.
It's one-on-one.
Blake.
Fired it hard. Roy slams the door shut. Drury jumps on the loose puck. Sakic has it. Fired it hard. Joseph stones him.
That wasn't just a save, Jim. It was a cure for global warming.
Van Imp grabs the puck. Sakic grabs it. DeVries takes it. Domi grabbed it. The Avalanche come in offside. The face-off goes to Detroit. Chelios puts an end to this power play as his penalty is over. Robitaille. Roy makes the save. Drury. Sakic grabbed the puck. Robitaille runs over Domi.
In high school, this guy was voted most likely to crush someone in front of thousands of people.
The ref indicates a delayed call against Drury. Detroit now has the upper hand.
Let's see if they can force their opponent's hand and grab a goal on the power play.
Chelios knocks him off the puck.
And you thought crashing thunder only happened outdoors.
Solani, pad save. Lemieux shoots quickly. Roy turned the shot aside. It's all over. Detroit loses the game.
Let me tell you, Jim, it looked like their opponents were running shooting drills out there today. No wonder they lost.
Selection. Tonight's third star for Colorado, number 4.